Hey everybody, it's Bill. Hope you had a good week. This is the introduction to week 12 in design thinking and innovative solutions. Hey, one of the things that I've been really excited about this week is watching you present your ideas to your key stakeholders. And a couple takeaways from there. Number one, how excited they have all been to see the effort and the work that you've put in, and how you're making their life easier by helping to solve their problems. The other key thing is that in a co-creation process, you are presenting information and you are getting feedback back as well. In just about every case that we've had, folks have gone with an idea, and remember that idea coming from all the different insights. So being a very small piece and walking away with an even smaller, more focused piece to work on. And so when that happens and you have a kind of a new or a revised challenge, embrace it, right? So this is how you do that. You go back to your challenge statement or your idea statement, idea challenge, and you revise it, right? So if you're talking about providing engaging activities like social events, mentoring, and kind of engagement in the STEM field, and your stakeholders really excited about mentorship, and you start talking about how to implement mentorship, you're now having mentorship idea. So you can go ahead and make those changes. The other thing is you're going to start to identify new things that you don't know that you have to figure out. So a lot of times we refer to that as, hey, well, we need to go talk to, or we need to ask about. Those are now unknowns. And if you take a look at the work that you're doing this week with your unknowns and your knowns chart, major and minor, some of the things that you need to identify are those things that you do not yet know, so that you can then address them through experiments or further prototyping to be able to find the answers or know more about them. So for instance, if you are concentrating on this mentorship program, you need to go see how other people are doing mentorship programs. Which department might implement the mentorship program? Those are the unknowns that you have that we're going to start to identify this week based on all the work that you've done to this point, plus the feedback that you're getting from your idea sketches in your co-creation process. The other thing that I'd like you to do is, if you get this feedback this week, I'd like you to incorporate these changes into the README pitch that you're going to submit on Saturday night. If you don't get this feedback until late in the week, shoot me an email. If I have to give you another day or two so that you get a more up-to-date README pitch, I'm happy to do that. So the README pitch is going to be due this Saturday. Knowing that you're working on the knowns and unknowns of your project after the brainstorming that we will be going over in lab on Tuesday. That means that has to be pretty much done so that we can do the next part and cross over and exchange your ideas. So have that done on Tuesday. If you have any questions, you can send me an email, put them in the forum. And until then, have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday in class.